Driving advice: Eco driving. The Alpine A110's actual consumption depends on your driving style and factors that you can influence directly. Some basic rules need to be observed if you want to drive responsibly and economically. Ensure that your tires are always in a good condition and at the recommended pressures. Don't drive with the windows open. Instead, use the air conditioning system in auto mode. Allow the gearbox to change gear at the correct moment by selecting position D and avoid manual changes or follow the advice of the gear change indicator. Never warm up the engine when stationary. Avoid high engine speeds in the intermediate gears. Brake as little as possible by anticipating obstacles and opt for normal driving mode rather than sport or track, which should be reserved for sports use on a racetrack. Always keep the stop and start function active. It is used to reduce greenhouse gas emissions significantly.